Okay guys, I'm calling these videos this week straight to the point. The reason for that is they're not going to be as long, they're not going to be as creative. It's going to be straight to the point. I'm going to tell you everything I can find on this car. Chips, scratches, rust, and dents. And I'm doing that because I'm going to be out for a solid week, or maybe more. The baby is coming on Thursday, and it may come sooner. So I'm going to do what I can, guys. This right here, nice little Impala from 1963. Under the hood, 305. Power brakes, no power steering. We'll still take it down the road for a brief test drive, undercarriage shots, and picking out the flaws at the end. Be sure to hit subscribe. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, we'll look around the interior. Place those bets. Do you think the horn works? Go ahead and start her up. Got to jiggle that ignition there. But it does start up good. Engine temperature's still cold. Oil pressure is up and working. Radio, working. Wipers, working. Turn signals, right there and right there. Both of them are working. Horn, did you place those bets? Do you think it works? What's going on here? Maybe it don't work. Nope, not hooked up. Interior. Package tray, headliner. All looks pretty good. What is that? Oh my gosh, that is so loud when I kind of hurt my ears. Well, there's a horn there. It's the loudest horn ever. We gotta go look at that. Let's see how it runs and drives, guys. Yeah, she's pretty loud. Okay, so yeah, what we're gonna do, go down the road here. Find reverse first. Where's that at? There we go. Just doing the head cam footage here. Like I said, I've never really done 6 videos in one day. They're all going to be a little bit shorter. But I've only got 3 days to knock all this out, so I'm going to do as much as I possibly can. And I'm hoping it all works out real good. So I'm sure I'm going to mess up, and the reason for that is I'm making all the footage of 5 videos and then building them later. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Speedometer coming up on the dash. It seems to be a bit fast. Don't you do it. Kick down is hooked up. Okay. No race car, but still feels pretty good. Back in our brakes. A little bit of a left pull when I hit the brakes there. But pretty much straight as an arrow going down the road. A little bit of slack in the steering. Got some there and some there. You see, turns there, turns there. We've got gas today too. We don't have to stop and get any. Engine temperature is up to 170. That horn's hilarious, man. I can't believe it was so loud. I was hitting the button up here like, come on. And then, whoop! Okay, guys. Outside shots. Undercarriage shots. And then walk around. Very minimum here. It's going to be different than a normal video. Like I said, I'm trying to get more done in a very short period of time. I'll be right back. I thought maybe I'd get a quicker one, but I mean, it's still pretty quick. We're at 35 minutes, and after we get back, I'm gonna say it's gonna be about 45 minutes worth of videoing. Then you gotta build it, and then you gotta do all that, but it's okay. I still saved a little bit of time. But we gonna get back here. Wasn't in drive there. I was in first or second, I think. I was in second. It's a nice little quiet cruiser. Engine temperature's at a good operating range. Oil pressure's almost 60 pounds. Engine temperature, to be exact, is sitting, looks like 190. On a nice hot summer day. That's a good thing. Bump in the road here, give her a listen. Just silky smooth on that one. Didn't even notice it was there. It's funny to see when I go on test drives with people, they're like, oh, let's try the bump. If it's the got like terrible suspension, it is loud and it hits hard, and they're like, whoa. But then others, they're like, that's not even a bump, Nick. Yeah, because this one's nice and smooth. Get in one, it's not. Tell a huge difference. Guys, we're getting ready to pull back into the lot. I hope you enjoyed this short, straight to the point video. If you did, leave me some feedback below. Again, I'm gonna do this probably about 15 times, so it'll be the next 10 to 15 videos, and then I'll be back to normal programming. I just got to get through this third baby, right? Yeah. All right, I'll be back. Thanks for watching. All right, let's walk this ride. Chips, scratches, rust, and dents coming your way. A little bit of pitting on the chrome on the front bumper here. Chips here. Paint missing behind the bumper there. Chips at the bottom, bubbles here, and bubbles in the back, little paint missing on the inner fender. Cracks behind the chrome bumper in the rear, chips here, midsection. Chips on the edge of the door, chips in the middle of the door. A little bit of pitting on your trim there. Easy spot here. Ding in your trim there on your pillar. Touch up mark. Pitting on your door handle. Guys, if you see something in this video you want them to point out, maybe go over a second time for you, we could do that. I do know that this video is a lot different than normal. I didn't get all those extra outside shots. I basically just went straight to the point. That's what I'm calling this segment this week. Dings in the bumper there. Otherwise, you won't get any videos if I had to take my time and go over like I usually do. I'm talking all those extra shot. Some of y'all might actually like this video better. That's okay. Got a little bit of rust on there. It's been covered up with some paint. You can kind of see it everywhere. The paint just looks thick on this side. And no, that doesn't mean I'm gonna skimp or miss anything. I'm still doing the same video, just a little bit faster. Some little rust bubbles popping up there on the inside of that trunk lid jam. Coming down with the trunk lid. Trim's a little dinged up there. Over in the corner here too. Scratches on your trim. Pitting. Making sure the trunk lid was shut there. Coming down this side. White spots there. Crack in the paint there. Chips on the edge, little runs. Kind of cracked in the corner there, so you got a little bit of paint falling off. More pitting on your trim. Chips up top. Small little chips here. You got some light little bubbles there. These white spots, I don't know what they are. Kind of scattered and all over the place there. Little bubbles in the paint here. It's a chemical peel. Pitting. Mirror's got a little bit of pitting too. Seal's a little bit cracked up. Doesn't look like it has the lock either. Ding up here. Okay, made it around the outside. Let's go ahead and check out that interior. Under the door first. Door panel seems to be sagging at the bottom. See, it needs to be tightened up. Carpet in this one. Older, you can see a little bit of wear. Rips in the back. Driver's seat. Not bad, but the bottom needs to be stretched. Starts up good. Vitals. Engine temperature's good. Oil pressure's great. Guys, thank you very much for being patient with me during this time. I will continue to make the videos. I'm working hard today to get 5 done. That'd be 6 videos in one day, and I need to do that every day this week until Thursday, and then I won't be here. So I do appreciate all the support y'all give me. Please hit subscribe and share. And of course, once I'm back, I'll be back with regular programming. Thanks. I'll see you later.